A physical property of a substance describes that substance in appearance or behavior. For example, one physical property about me is the color of my t-shirt. What about in chemistry? In chemistry, we say that a physical property of a substance can be seen or measured without changing the substance. What do we mean by not changing the substance? Let's use water as an example. The temperature at which water freezes, or freezing point, and the temperature at which water boils, or boiling point, are both physical properties. You may think, wait, but an ice cube changes when it turns to water. That's true, smarty pants. However, this is a physical change and not a chemical change. The molecules are still the same, they're just moving around more. Make sure you remember that freezing and boiling points are physical properties, not chemical ones, because examiners love to trick their students into thinking phase changes are chemical changes. They're most certainly not. Now let's look at chemical properties. Have you ever played with a glow stick? Do you know that when you snap a glow stick, chemicals within the glow stick react with each other, producing yet another chemical that glows? That's actually how the glow stick glows. Hence, for those chemicals that were originally sitting in the glow stick, their chemical property is that they produce light or are fluorescent upon reaction. So, why do we say that this is a chemical reaction? That's because the original reactants, or what we start with, have already reacted to form a product. There is a change in the substance. I don't think you can get back the chemicals in a glow stick after you have already snapped them, right? Now, one thing that examiners love to do is to try and confuse you with the two. So to distinguish between chemical and physical properties, you need to do this. For example, a classic exam day question asks you whether rust is a physical or chemical change. Rust is actually a chemical process because it involves changes to iron in air. Iron has actually changed. That's why if you leave an old bike out in the air, or if you see scrap metal lying around outside, it is almost always covered with rust.